Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class and today's topic and today's chapter current electricity and today's topic relation between current and drift velocity. As you know, current is the rate of flow of charge through a wire. The value of charge flow through a cross section area of a conductor per second is known as electric current, and drift velocity is defined as the average velocity with which electron move through a wire or through a conductor under the influence of external electric field. Okay, it means we have to find relation between I and Vd. Let this is a wire of length L and cross section area A. When there is no electric field, it means there is no battery applied across the end of wires, end of conductor, then the electron moving here and there, and there is a collision between electron. It means the energy of electron lose energy continuously. It means the average velocity is 0. But when a battery is applied across the end of wire, electron get a fixed velocity which is known as drift velocity, and if electron start to move one end to another end. Okay, this is known as drift velocity. Drift velocity equal to Vd, electron moving due to Pauli reaction. Okay, let n equal to density of electron. It means number of electron per unit volume. It means total number of electron. Total electron n equal to n into V, where V is the volume of this conductor, and the value of volume V equal to L into A. Okay. So total charge, it is a total free electron, n equal to n into V, and total charge Q equal to n into E, because one electron consists E charge, and the value of E is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb negative. Okay, so it means Q equal to N into V into E. So Q equal to N into A into L into E. Okay, so Q equal to NaLE. And as you know, the value of current I equal to rate of flow of charge. It means I equal to Q equal to, the value of Q is NaLE upon T. Okay, so I equal to NLE NAE L upon T. L upon T. In a certain condition, the drift velocity is equal to drift speed. It means drift speed BD equal to distance upon time, and let T be the time. T is equal to time interval. To move one point to another point. One point to another. One and to another. Okay. So it means drift speed. BD is equal to distance upon time. Upon time, and distance equal to L, because the length of wire is L. So L upon T is the BD. Some cases. Okay. So by putting this value in equation first, so I equal to NAE into BD. So that is the relation between current and drift velocity. I equal to NEA BD. That is important relation. I equal to NEA BD. That is the important relation to find the value of current and drift velocity. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, the amount, this is a numerical based on charge and current. The amount of electric charge passing through a cross section of a wire in time t, Q equal to AT square plus BT plus C, where A, B, C are constant having 4, 5 and 1 respectively. Calculate the value of electric current. Q is equal to AT square plus BT plus C. AT square BT plus C. Differentiation in Q with respect to T. dQ upon dt, because as you know the instant value of current is find by differentiating dQ with respect to t. d upon dt at square dt plus c. So I equal to d upon dt at square d upon dt dt plus d upon dt c. Okay. So A is constant, so A come in front of the derivation of dt square, like this d upon dt t plus, and the c is constant and the differentiation of a constant is 0. So it is equal to 0. It means I equal to A 2t. Differentiation of 2t is 2 come in the multiply of t and the power of t decrease by 1. So 2t plus B 1. Okay, 0. It means I equal to 280 plus B. Okay, so by putting the value of A and B, the value of A is 4 and value of B, A is 5 and B is 4, and the value of time is 4 seconds. So 2 into 5 into 4 into 4. Okay, so I equal to 10, 40 plus 4. So I equal to 44 ampere. It is the value of current. I hope you understood. The value of current is 44 ampere. So you have to try question based on this formula. The remaining topic of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much.